Simplify the return process for your customers by including a return label in every shipment. Let's configure post-sale so that a pay-on-use return label is created automatically when you create a shipping label. The great thing is that you won't be charged by the carrier for the return label unless it is used by your customer to return their order. Open the Settings menu and go to Carrier Settings. Make sure that Settings is selected. Click Edit to make changes to the default settings. Expand the Return section and select the Include a Pay-on-Use Return Label option. Now, select the same Add Shipment option for Carrier, Service, and Packaging. This tells post-sale to create a return label that is a duplicate of the shipping label, using the same carrier, service, dimensions, and weight as the shipping label. Click Save. Now, each time a shipping label is created, a return label will automatically be created so that you can include it in the package to your customer. Want more post-sale quick tips? Be sure to subscribe to our post-sale YouTube channel and to check out the post-sale blog.